Hello there, namaste and blessings, and welcome to my channel, Wisdom of the Divine Feminine. My name is Nela Maat, and I feel super excited to be here. This energy reading is gonna be timeless, okay? And so let's set the intentions. Let's set the intentions to open our hearts and our minds to receiving divine guidance, always to serve our highest good and the highest good of everyone involved. Now, here in this channel, there's no victims, okay? There's no victims. There's only higher dimensional beings who are very, very aware and awakened to the fact that we have come here to go through our journey in life, and with that comes challenges, yes? And so together we can honor our journey here in this planet Earth. Together we can come and honor how much wisdom and how much growth we are currently experiencing, yes? And so, all right, so we have the three main energies, okay, you guys? Interesting. Okay. We have the energy, the frequency of good luck, okay? Good luck. That was on the bottom of the deck. Then we have grounding. Let me see if I can get this to focus. Come on. My goodness. There you go. I'm sorry, you guys. So grounding. There you go. Grounding. We have growth of energy. There you go. It's getting easier now. And we have cut ties. Goodness gracious. Patience, right? There we go. Here we are. Yes. All right. Cut ties. Whew. Now I go about how I feel. I read energy. And there's this very beautiful energy of grounding, higher perspective, awakening divine perception, and grounding self-compassion, grace. I'm hearing purity of the heart. I'm hearing anchoring into the higher heart chakra. I feel that you have been working really hard, yes, on learning how to ground not just your energy, right? Now, I guess not just the physical energy, but also the energy from the whole chakra systems and into the meridians. And as you have been cutting ties and removing this energy, you have been creating, I have to say not create, yeah, your energy field has been growing, and also you are learning how to cultivate and work with your energy in a better and more grounded way. Okay, I hope this is making sense, because this is what I'm hearing. And I'm seeing the number 222. This is about divine union within. This is about learning to collaborate. This is about learning to communicate, to come together in groups, to understand the mirroring also, yes, because this is the world of the mirrors, all right? Yes, I feel very, very strong the energy, the frequency of Archangel Michael and Raphael. I'm also hearing Metatron and Sandalphon working with you with this grounding. For me, yeah, that's like a lot of Sandalphon grounding the lower chakras into the energy grid of the earth. Beautiful. And that energy of good luck, yeah, but it is not that it is not that good luck. It's just something that just happens. Yeah, it's not like that. I feel the energy of good luck as prosperity, abundance, it's about you working really hard. Yes, working really hard on your craft, on learning new things. I'm hearing higher learning. I'm hearing learning new things and teaching others. And so there's this message of, once again, I'm hearing humility. Humility to honor the cycles we are in. Yes, there's always a lot more to learn and to grow. And also we are activating soul remembrance, okay? Now I'm seeing the number 333. I'm hearing, your guides and masters are working with you very closely right now. We have the Three of Pentacles. So this is a person that is comfortable with learning, seeking truth. It is a person that is here, that is being guided to be at service through altruistic actions, altruism, teaching, like I said, guiding, mentoring. I'm hearing become the leader of your life. Now with the Emperor here, but it's in reverse, it's 626. I'm feeling that energy of we're having to find balance within our mental, physical, emotional, and spiritual bodies, balance within everything that we do. Seeing this Three of Swords, so we're still working and cutting ties, yeah, with the past experiences, past situations. We have the Seven of Cups and then the Ten of Pentacles, okay? So I feel that you have been contemplating on what to do, which way to go. You have been sitting on, am I following my life purpose? Am I doing things correctly? What is it that needs to change? I feel also that you have been going to navigate certain challenges related to you making choices and decisions, and it has been bumpy because at the end of the day you are being asked to trust in your choices and your decisions. Yes, and there needs to be we need to heal this, all right, in order for us to then be able to manifest and ground this Ten of Pentacles, yes, into this into the kingdom, into the 3D world. Because remember, everything is manifest in the higher worlds, from above and then below. It's more like there needs to be a balancing act within existing here and this spirit world. So I feel that there's this very beautiful message of, even though things are not maybe moving the way you want it, the divine is acknowledging the level of growth okay? Your efforts are being acknowledged, and this Ten of Pentacles is yours. It's not going anywhere, all right? So there's no need to act from desperation. I feel that what is more important here with this energy is the acknowledgement that we are still trying to close a cycle, that we are closing a cycle. Let's say not trying. I don't like the word trying. That we still are cutting ties with the old ways of existing, behaving. You know, we all have negative habits. And so we are being asked to open ourselves to change. And that's why I heard with the frequency of grounding, that we are grounding new ways of relating, new ways of existing, new ways of communicating, of acting, of living. Yeah, everything is new. Yes, it is important to acknowledge that we are in this cycle of very deep and intense growth. I'm seeing the vulture, and also I'm seeing the raven or the crow spirit. We are working with healing the unconscious. We need to go into the underworld, into the depths of our waters. We have the card of strength. So the card of strength is about our animalistic desires. It's about the understanding that in order for us to manifest from a place that is grounded, from a place of truth and integrity and alignment with the divine will, the divine plan, we have to go through a process of transformation, where we transform the ego to be at service to the soul, and not the soul at service to the ego. So the card of strength is about a person that does know and understand their animalistic nature. They understand what's going on with the outside world, with the material world. They understand, they know their shadows. They know what is temptation from them. And so they very carefully make the choice to tame those aspects and do not let that or those animalistic desires to run, the ego to run the show when it comes to making choices and decisions. This is about a person that can see deception. It does understand that we can always manifest, and we are always manifesting. We are master manifestors, but it is very different to manifest from a place of where we have cultivate divine perception and divine perspective, where we are so in touch with our light and our shadow, what we perceive as our shadow, our ego, you know, that when it comes to decision making, this person is grounded. And that's why we also have the symbol of the infinite above her head, yeah, as a sign that this person is connected to a higher power, to their higher self, to higher divine beings of love, mercy, and benevolence who are guiding them. And so when it comes to like jumping into impulsive and to go into temptations, they know how to pause and to go inward, right? In order for them to make a judgment call, to make choices and decisions. Yes. And so I will say, as of right now, honor the cycle that you are in, right? We are learning. Our energy field is growing. We need to mature in our energy bodies. We have to learn how to ground, divine perception, divine perspective. We still cutting ties, and we are working on closing a cycle. I feel that once again, slow down, move with intention, act from a place of from a place of deep inner knowing, deep inner trust, having fun, being curious, and not from a place of lack and scarcity. Know that this Ten of Pentacles is yours, that there's a higher divine power that is seeing your efforts, yeah, that acknowledges you, and that yeah, just know that all is well, that you are meant for greatness. Yes, here we have. All right, and to close this this energy reading, I'm gonna say, let's please work on healing the mental body, releasing worry, like I said, and just know that here comes the sun. Okay, the card of the sun, yes, it's an omen of joy and great abundance and infinite possibilities and opportunities, a lot of creativity, but it's also related to us doing the process of alchemy. And so continue on your journey. Know that everything is working out for yourself, that everything is working out for your highest good. Sorry, that you are protected and safe as you continue on your journey. All right, trust, and I know that you got this. Remember, we are not doing this alone. I thank you guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. Until I see you next time. So much love. Thank you guys. Peace and love.